What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. If you're in the boat of maybe you got a new Samsung phone or you had a phone and it died and you want to restore some of your information, or you even want to back it up to the cloud and you don't know how to do that, I'm going to walk you through in this video. So the first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top and you want to go into settings right here. So once you are in settings, what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says accounts and backup. So just go down and eventually you will see accounts and backup. Tap on that and you will see right in here that you have to sign into your Samsung account. So if you're not signed in, you won't have Samsung Cloud. So you want to go into manage accounts just to double check, hit add account at the bottom and choose Samsung account and log in with your Samsung account. If you have one, it'll let you log in and you should be logged in at that point. Now, when we take a step back to accounts and backup, you can see right here, I have backup data and I have restore data. So if I go into backup data, you'll see that I have all these things backed up for this specific device. So I have my contacts backed up, my settings, my apps, home screen, clock, messages, call logs, calendar, and voice recordings. Now, all of those things will be backed up. Nothing more, nothing less, at least with Samsung Cloud. You can always back up your photos and things to Google as well. But with Samsung Cloud, it's going to be backed up automatically right here, all of these things. And a lot of these things are very, very important. So like, I know people like, I want my messages back. As long as you backed it up, it'll show up right here and you can turn it on and off. You don't get any extra settings if you tap anywhere on there. So just be forewarned with that. You can also hit the three dots right here and you can hit more information and it tells you basically when it backs up, in case you were curious. And what they can't back up, drafts and things that are larger than, or messages that are larger than 20 megabytes. So things like that won't be backed up. So again, be forewarned. When you go over here though, and we go back and we go to restore data, you're gonna see any and all Samsung devices you've ever had that you have had backed up to your phone. That's why it's really important to sign into your Samsung account. Otherwise you won't have these things. But maybe you have some in here, I'll give you a little trick too. Like maybe you don't want like your Galaxy S25 Edge. So you can tap in here, hit the three dots, you can delete backups. You can also uncheck or check what you want to restore. If you want everything, just keep everything selected. Otherwise, uncheck that and maybe you just want like your settings restored from that phone and hit restore. So you can choose what you want. You can also see when the phone was last backed up to the cloud. In case you're like, hey, when's the last time my phone got backed up? It has to meet all those requirements that I showed you on the previous page, but you can see exactly when it was last backed up as well. And you know how to delete it. Like I said, just come in here, tap the three dots, delete backup, or when you come in here, you can also just leave everything checked and restore. It will take a little bit of time because it's downloading. You can see that's 20 gigs of data. And I have ones like the Trifold, I think that was 45 gigs of data. So I can easily just restore that information back to my phone or to another phone as well, in case I like the same setup or whatever that I have. If you didn't do it, like I said, say your phone died or you forgot to bring all your messages over from the last phone or whatever that is, it will be right in here with your Samsung backup. Also under the accounts and backup, you have another option here where you can actually restore information to an external storage device. So if you attach like a USB-C external drive to this of any sort, you can come in here and do external transfer, and you can back up and restore from that device right here as well, so in case you didn't want to put it up in the cloud. So there you guys go. That is how to use Samsung's cloud data backup to restore and back up your things on your phone. Again, it's not everything, but it's a lot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.